Sí.
Okay, buenas noches, amigos, amigas. We're here in Del Toro, Parque del Toro, and here's a group of the volunteers who've been coming by, and we're going to do short interviews. Everyone's going to introduce themselves. Some people will be speaking in Espanol and some in English. And we're going to start out with Brandon, who's been here and helping out quite a bit.
Okay, I just want to thank God for this opportunity. I thank God for Pastor Chris, as well as the whole staff team. Everybody's been doing an excellent and a great job. Pastor, I'm sorry, okay. Pastor Emilio. Okay, lo siento.
You're right.
Pastor Emilio.
It's okay. It's
Maybe he's supposed to be a pastor, I don't know. But so thank God for Pastor Emilio. I thank God for the whole staff team and everybody being here. It's such a great experience to work with the children. It's always a blessing to work with the children and to see the impact that everyone has on the kids. It's a blessing.
Amen.
Amen. Thank you very much, Brandon. And Senora?
Buenas noches, mi nombre es Dulce y es un placer haber apoyado, que Dios me permitió apoyar al grupo del EBDB y la verdad yo fui guía, al igual junto con mi familia y la verdad es algo muy bueno y algo maravilloso poder servir al Señor, la verdad. Dios los bendiga.
Muchas gracias, Senora. Okay, and Ross.
Okay, Chris, we're here because of you, and thank you for introducing us to this great group, Pastor Emilio. And all the people, wonderful people that I got a chance to meet, especially Crystal. Oh my darling, she can sing. She's putting us on an assignment. And Brenda, you don't know about the assignment, but anyway, we thank God for all the gifts here, and also my girl Chelsea down there on the end who's acting up.
Hey, all right, Chelsea.
And everyone, we thank God for everyone.
Chelsea's down there at the end. And she's gonna get a. Okay, thanks again, Ross. Go ahead, Chris.
Hi, I'm Chris Ladico, and I'm part of the Assemblies of God World Missions Program, and I'm living here in Chapala, Mexico, working with this amazing, amazing church plant here. It's a Mexican national church, and we really care about the culture and the community here in Chapala. So we are just so blessed to have volunteers here like Chris and everybody else who's standing with us, and God just brought us all together to just work with these kids, and our hearts are so full by the end of the day.
Okay, all right.
Yes, good job, Chris.
Thank you. And Dan's going to tell us a little bit about the scheduling here because there was a break and everything else.
So my name's Dan Lodico. That was my daughter, Crystal Lodico, and I'm here with my wife, Sylvia Lodico, and all my other brothers and sisters
Sylvia's
down
there.
here. So I just want to thank God for the opportunity to minister to all these children. And we wanted to thank Chris, who's been volunteering with us here for the last couple of months, actually. And he's been supporting the church with his videos and financially. So we appreciate that. And we just thank God for the opportunity for all these children. Tomorrow will be 5 to 7 again for the Vacation Bible School. But every Saturday, they've been here for over a year. We've been here the last 6 months or so with the church. They have a program for the children, 5 o'clock every Saturday. And it's usually about 30 to 40 children that are here. They play games, they have refreshments, and they get a Bible lesson. And we just thank God that these children are the future of Chapala. In 10 years, they're going to be the pastors, the evangelists, the church planters. So all these 60 children that we're here tonight, they're going to be the future of this whole area in Mexico. So God bless and thank you. Bye-bye.
And we love Daniel's accent.
Okay.
Yeah. I am from New York City.
Queens in Chapala.
Yo hablo poquito español, but hablo mucho inglés.
He speaks well.
Okay.
And then we talk with Oscar here.
Oscar.
Mi nombre es Oscar. Tengo muy poco tiempo apoyando en el Centro de Adoración a Jesús. Todos los sábados estamos viniendo a evangelizar a los pequeños. Los invitamos a ser parte también de este evento, señor. Si quieren estar apoyando, pueden estar también recibiendo donaciones. Pero también es bien importante que ustedes conozcan lo que hacemos por los pequeños. Que se sumen ustedes también para ser parte de este proyecto de llevar el evangelio a los que más lo necesitan.
Muchas gracias, Oscar. Okay, señor.
Hola, mi nombre es Luis Fernando.
Excuse me. This
Fernando.
is
Sí.
Fernando. This is Oscar. This is Fernando. Okay, Fernando.
Mi nombre es Fernando. Me tocó participar aquí en la escuelita de verano, apoyando y siendo parte del staff. Estoy muy agradecido. La verdad, nunca había tenido la oportunidad de estar así participando en un equipo grande. Entonces me siento muy agradecido y muy feliz por todos los peques con los que pudimos trabajar y participar con ellos.
Okay, and Fernando brought his wife. His wife is here, Jessie.
Yeah.
And she's tending to their daughter. And we're going to go to Sylvia next. Go ahead.
Hello, everybody. we love Chapala. We've been here a year and 6 months or so, and we got connected with this church, and they're hands-on. We love the children. We love the ministries that they're developing now, and there's more to come. A lot of more events that are being planned, and just if you're interested in visiting the church, you're welcome to come and visit. You're in the U.S., you're hearing us. Chapala is a great place to live, and just stop by. That's what we did. We came for a week and we fell in love with it, and now we're living here. All right.
Okay, and for those who don't know, Sylvia will be translating the service tomorrow.
Yes.
And you want to tell us about that?
Yes, well, tomorrow, it was only Spanish only, but we're getting a lot of foreigners, from the U.S. and Canada, so I'll be translating. Yay!
And, okay, go ahead, señora.
Hola, mi nombre es Verónica, yo pertenezco al Ministerio Infantil de Escuela Dominical. Ahorita estamos sirviendo con el pastor Emilio y para mí ha sido de gran bendición venir a servir con ellos. Le pido a Dios que nos dé la oportunidad de seguir sirviendo y alcanzando más almas para Cristo. Me da mucho gusto porque mis hijos están sirviendo junto conmigo. Hemos sido muy bendecidos con esta escuela de verano y yo estoy muy contenta y muy agradecida con Dios por ello y por habernos dado la oportunidad de servir en este bello ministerio. Yo te invito a que formes parte de él y te enamores de los niños porque es una gran bendición servir para ganar almas para Cristo. Dios los bendiga.
Muchas gracias.
Buenos días, tardes, noches. Mi nombre es Chelsea. Yo pertenezco a la iglesia del Pastor Emilio, Centro de Adoración a Jesús Campus Chapala. Pues los invito primero que nada a que vengan a conocer lo que es el trabajo con los niños. Esta semana estuvimos trabajando en la EBDB, la Escuelita Bíblica de Vacaciones, aquí en el Parque La Plaza de Toros. Hemos visto cómo Dios ha manifestado, hemos visto cómo Dios ha tocado la vida de los pequeños. Entonces, si tú quieres ser parte de esto, si tú quieres venir y apoyarnos, bienvenido seas, te enamorarás del trabajo de ellos. Pues nada, pues muchas gracias y ojalá vengan muchas personas a apoyarnos siempre.
Okay, muchas gracias, Chelsea. And last but not least, here's Fernando's wife, Jessie. And go ahead, Jessie.
Hola, buenas noches, mi nombre es Jessie. Estuve apoyando en la Escuelita Bíblica de Verano, sirviendo refrigerios y llevando a cabo el registro de los niños. Los invitamos también a que vengan los días sábados a las 5 de la tarde aquí en la Unidad Deportiva en Chapala para que traigan a sus niños para que aprendan más de Dios.
Gracias, señora Jessie. And I want to say thanks to everyone. And we'll get a shot of all the volunteers here and here. Okay, thanks.
Mexico!
Okay, buenas noches. Tap on the notification bell. You'll be notified of upcoming videos. Thanks for viewing. Buenas noches.
Buenas noches.